G'day, I'm Marty. Welcome to Peninsula Wildflower. My wife and I, Dawn, created this business some 10 years ago. This is a beautiful place in the world down in Borneo where we grow our native wildflowers, and love to show you around.
You've put the weather on for us today, Marty.
Yeah, I reckon. Turned it on. It's a beautiful day in Borneo.
Where are we?
In Borneo. We're in Bob's Garden.
In Bob's Garden.
Bob's Garden.
What's Bob's Garden?
Bob's Garden is a beautiful flower garden that was planted some 20-25 years ago by a well-renowned doctor as a hobby.
Hobby?
Yep, he planted this for something to do. All the species you see, some of them are of that age. A lot of them have since genetically just passed away.
Wow, okay.
So what we do is we pretty much take cuttings of what's left, and what you see, the young plants you see in the ground now are babies or children of the original.
Yep.
And we're trying to repopulate, regenerate, make this better and better, and just keep adding to the garden. That's what we do. So we harvest, everything is grown here, we forage.
Yep.
We try not to waste anything.
Yeah,
That's our ethos. Everything we have around us is what we produce in our arrangements and what we send out locally to the farm gates, to the shops, and then for weddings and events, and people come to us. Strictly an Australian native, it's a South African native. South African coat of arms, I believe it's on too. We will workshop as well. Dawn's an amazing teacher, the girls are amazing teachers. We do weaving workshops as well with our products.
Yep.
And we're just a big believer in sustainability and the slow flower movement.
Yep.
These are grown here.
Yep.
They're not flown here. They're not kept in fridges. They're not artificial or anything.
Yep.
They are what they are, and that's what we love.
Getting back to that slow flower movement, how do you define that? Like, what's your?
Well, a lot of flowers have air miles, or a lot of energy goes into production to bring them from A to B. We don't travel too far with our product. We're pretty much southern peninsula to sort of the Frankston boundaries, if you like.
Yeah.
Some people come further afield for weddings, etc.
Yeah.
But we try and minimise our footprint with what we do and how we do it.
Yeah,
That's our
amazing.
sort of main aim, if you like.
Yeah. And you said that this farm in particular, Bob's Garden, is like about 25 years old.
Yeah.
So some of the new varieties which are in the background here.
Yep.
How old? Like, what's the comparison?
Like you're looking at the Sylvan leucodendrons there would be at about 12, 15 years old.
Yeah, okay.
These ones in front here between 3 and 5 years old.
Oh, okay.
And then you go along the lines, say, of the ones behind us here, cuttings that have been started off as a cutting. This potentially would be about 4 years old.
Wow. Okay.
And there's quite a difference in obviously size and volume. They're not a quick growing plant.
Yep.
People who want a quich fix don't plant
get into
proteas.
babies.
Yeah, you got to have the patience. They are.
And how long till the yield of?
Look, they generally, because these are cuttings, they generally flower, funnily enough, the same time as the mother plant. But obviously,
That's awesome.
it takes a few years to become abundant. You know,
Yeah.
between 5 and 7 years, you really
Yeah.
start to reap the benefits of what you grow.
Yeah. Fantastic.
And they're just beautiful. The birds love them, the bees love them,
Yep.
and we love them.
Yeah. So good.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us, Marty.
Pleasure to have you here. It's a special place. It's a place we get our energy from and pass it on.
Yeah. How about you show us some of your favourite varieties?
Yeah, okay. Well, we've got some, obviously, in what's in flower now.
Hang on
We can
to
show you.
me.
Yep. Yeah.
Through.
It's cracked, and then they blow effectively, or what we call blow.
So what would be the next stage to that opening?
All right. We'll try and find you one.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then she'll just keep finding the next level.
Oh, you can feel the firmness soften actually.
Yeah.
When
Yes.
you're touching it, yeah.
They're beautiful. Australian native, the Primorsa Banksia. Gorgeous and ready, almost ready. Lovely native. Then over here we have the Banksia coccinea. Gorgeous flower. You can see quite clearly here the different stages of growth. And when they get that firmness and redness to them, they are ready to be picked and harvested.
Having us down here,
Yeah.
a piece of heaven.
Pleasure. Lovely to have you down here and share it with you.
It's been great.
Yeah, cheers.
What do you prefer, Marty? Plumbing or growing flowers?
Farming, full stop.
Born and bred for it.
I think I am. It's my calling. Everything I've done in life has led to this, so
Yep.
it's the way it goes, isn't it?
Yeah.
All your skills and things come into play.
Yep.
Love using my hands. Love building.
Yep.
Love wrecking, love burning. Love everything to do with farm life, you know. Absolutely love it.